Ramadan is the month of the Qur'an. The Qur'an is the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for us. And the Qur'an is an amazing way for us as a family to bond together and to improve our connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One of the practices that we can implement this Ramadan is to sit together as a family to recite the Qur'an. And secondly, not just recite the Qur'an, but take it up a level and actually together read a portion of the translation of the Qur'an and discuss what lessons can you take out from these verses. What are these verses saying to you and to me? And especially when you do this as a group within your family, you will be amazed at the insights that people give. Even young children, they can have amazing and innocent insights into the message of the Qur'an. And this is a great activity for family bonding and together work towards your paradise.